Hello, dear friends. Welcome back. Today, we're diving inside electronic components to see what they're really made of and what's hidden under the surface. A white LED contains a tiny blue gallium nitride, GaN, semiconductor chip, mounted on a silver-plated copper lead frame. The white light is produced by a yellow phosphor coating made from rare earth materials like yttrium aluminum garnet, or YAG. The transparent body is epoxy resin, which protects the chip from moisture, oxygen, and mechanical damage. Gold bonding wires connect the chip to the leads. Semiconductor plus phosphor system gives high efficiency. Phosphor degrades with heat over time. Inside the metal can device, 2N2646. The semiconductor die is made of silicon, doped with precise impurities such as boron and phosphorus to form junctions. The metal can is usually nickel-plated steel for shielding and corrosion resistance. Leads are copper or iron-nickel alloy for strength. Inside you may also find ceramic insulation and glass seals to keep air and moisture out. Inside a Zener diode. The core is a silicon crystal with heavy doping to create the Zener effect. The chip is soldered to copper leads for heat transfer. The black body is epoxy or glass, providing insulation and protection. Vout equals Vz. Inside a 1000 microfarad 25-volt electrolytic capacitor. Two aluminum foils are used, one etched and anodized to form aluminum oxide, Al2O3, which acts as the dielectric. Paper soaked in liquid electrolyte, boric acid or organic solvents, sits between the foils to maintain conductivity. The aluminum can is sealed with rubber to prevent drying. Huge capacitance due to microscopic oxide layer. Electrolyte evaporation limits lifespan. Inside bridge rectifier KBPC1010. Contains 4 high-power silicon diodes mounted on copper plates and embedded in thermally conductive epoxy. The metal base is aluminum for heat sinking. VDC equals 1.414 times VAC minus 2 VD. Inside metal power transistor, 2SD198. A large silicon die is soldered onto a copper heat spreader connected to the metal case. Gold or aluminum bond wires connect the die to the leads. Although silicon can generate voltage when illuminated, this transistor is not optimized for solar use and produces very little power. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to support the channel.